Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to rebuild the obsolete 73341 air control valves in your 04 to 05 hot spring spa. If your air valve has stopped working, this rebuild may fix your issue. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver or knife. Parts you will need: 2 O-rings, 15/16 inch inner diameter by 1 1/16 inch outer diameter, and silicone grease. Step 1. Remove the air control valve from the spa by pressing it down and turning it counterclockwise simultaneously. Lift up on the bezel to remove it from the valve body. Step 2. The air control valve consists of several parts. Remove the housing of the valve by pulling and wiggling it back and forth until it comes off. Step 3. Remove the inner silicone sleeve and the foam piece and place them both inside the housing with the air holes in perfect alignment. Step 4. Cover the dial stem with silicone grease. Step 5. Align the dial stem with the housing and push the housing into place until you hear a snap. Step 6. Remove the 2 O-rings. Step 7. Cover the new O-rings with silicone grease. Step 8. Install the new O-rings. Step 9. Install the air valve into the spa by pressing the dial down and turning it clockwise simultaneously. Step 10. Test the air control valve. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.